comes out. He's still there.
Yeah.
He might turn around. See him, the bear?
Bear.
He's over there by the next set of rocks. The second set of rocks. This side. Your side. No, this side. The second set of rocks. He's by the water.
Oh, yeah. There. There he is. He's gonna cross?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna swim across.
Good boy.
Yeah, that's the bear. Oh my. How long has he been here? He just drove up. Get down. He's gonna go over the fall. Isn't that good, is it?
No, he's not going to go over the water. He's swimming.
Yeah, but he's in trouble. He's in trouble, that bear. It's not what he intended to do. I think he could do that bear.
No, he'll be alright. Whoa.
Whoa! This is cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, right. So cool. This is going to be an upset bear. Look at it!
Holy shit.
My.
Alright, he's alright. He's going to make it. There he is. He's going to be alright. Yeah.
I didn't like that either. Right here, come out. No. All right. Yay. Mine. It's on our 2 o'clock.
Go ahead, dude.